fantastic. It was amazing. They came over to do the job. It did not take long. They covered all my furniture, and after they leave, they cleaned the whole house. So I got no problem with that. And I'm very, very happy with the service from Paradise. I recommend it really to people. They're very, very experienced guys. They treat me very nice from the office to the people come over to install. After they install it, the owner, one of the owners come over and verify, make sure I was happy with the windows and all. It was, I'm very happy. Easy to open, easy to clean, because it flip over, so I can clean it up from inside, outside. So, it's very, very easy and very nice windows, good quality.